Father, isn't it?
Fun indeed. It's the magician's cheap trick.
That was a real frog, Your Majesty.
Of course it's a real frog.
You are not mad, are you?
Of course, Father. How can I be mad? I'm not mad. So am I mad?
Oh, you're not mad. But it's very convincing. Why are you looking at me like that?
Huh?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, I don't know. You tell me why I'm looking at you like that. What do you know why I'm looking at you like that? You know, I really didn't like that guy.
You ain't cool, man.
We're going to use it for soup. We're going to use it for soup. Ikoku! What? You're very stupid, Father. I'm going to clean it. Let's go. Hold it. That is the key! Hold it! Take him away.
Hold it! Ikoku, hold it!
Do this question. I'm trying to chew into your hands. Father, I want to show you. Give me your finger. I'll take you to the garden. I'll get the friends before the garden.
My son, what has gone over you? Come, finished. My son, my throne. My beloved son. The heir to my throne. The only blood in my line.
We must not lose hope yet, Your Majesty.
Did you say hope? How can I hope against hope? Anger. See what it has cost him. Huh? If only we control what we say, we won't get angry.
The messenger said that if a stranger love and care for him and show him affection, he will recover.
Who will love the mad prince? Who?
I advise we move him from this land first. The people cannot see this. We must move him to a distant land. Otherwise, the prince will die.
No! Ikoku said no. My son can't die.
Then it is wise we move him. We must act expeditiously. I fear the prince will die.
Look at me. Now you have to move him to another land immediately.
You deserve every minute of what is happening.
God!
Ikoku. To be or not to be?
Mark this land carefully. Okay? We shall keep him here. If what the messenger of God of anger sent him to go by, he might find true love. Love that will set him free. You, stay with him at all times. Cater to his every need.
Yes, sir.
Keep him safe. We're done here. This morning, Your Majesty. Could have been here earlier. There's been raining cats and dogs outside.
So how was he?
I fear he's still mad, Your Majesty.
But how come I'm not the one that was struck with this madness? Why my son? Huh?
It is the will of the God of Thunder. He toys with you. He is toying with you, Your Majesty. Well, I have a suggestion as to how we can bring love and affection to the prince.
Please tell me.
We shall find a young maiden and we shall spoil her.
What would that achieve?
Everything. It will achieve everything. Once she gets accustomed to royalty, to luxury, she'll be ready to do anything to maintain the status quo. Especially if she perceives she's to be the next queen of this land.
Yes.
Then we take her to the prince. She will give him all the love and affection he needs to bring him around again.
Do you think that will succeed?
With every measure of humility, Your Majesty. Have you ever doubted my abilities?
No, not at all. It's just that I am disturbed. I want anything that can be done to restore my son's sanity. Remember, he's the heir apparent to the throne.
I give you my word, Your Majesty. To be done, the prince will be whole again.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, thank you for your efforts.
It is my duty, Your Majesty.
Stop. See this fine madman. I'll come when I finish doing my house.
You have come?
Yeah, Auntie, good morning.
Good morning.
Auntie, did you write the letter?
Yes, I did. Let me bring it.
Okay.
Oh. Please give it to her.
I sure will.
Thank you.
On my way to this place, I saw a madman. I think he's new in town.
Who knows what he did? Maybe he brought the cause of himself. Please greet my daughter Edna for me and get it.
I sure will.
How long will you stay this time?
Auntie, I'm not coming back to this time if I don't get a job.
You will get a job.
I will stay there as long as I can, so far as I get a job.
Don't worry, you'll get a job.
Okay.
Safe journey.
Alright, bye-bye, Auntie.
Be careful though.
I sure will.
Hey.
Princess! Princess! Save me. Save my soul, please.
Who are you?
I am a mad nobody. Just
Save my soul.
How? How can I save your soul?
come. Come, I'll show you.
I should come?
I need to whisper it.
Whisper?
Yes. Come down. Princess. Princess. Save me. Save me. Save me. You're beautiful.
Jesus. What kind of a dream was that? Jesus. Jesus. I think it is going to kill me. I forgot. My God.
Edna! 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 Go. You're just waking up. Eh?
I slept with that watching you.
Don't interrupt me this morning, Edna. Go. Do you know that you are a big fool? I worked myself to death to give you the life that your poor child mother in the village could not afford you. What do you pay me with? Listen about. Don't even try. Don't give excuses for yourself. Are you sure you're okay? Must you always make my day sad? Must you? I'm asking you. Idiot. If you know what is good for you, hide this house and make it look like a better place that you used to be before you came here. If not, if I come back here, you know me better than this useless girl who's sleeping. Gawa.
Edna, how you doing? I'm fine. Good. How's sister?
She's fine.
What's wrong? I don't make your face. What's happening? Is everything alright?
It's not Nkechi.
What is it? Sit down. Tell me about it. What chances?
I don't know. But nothing I do seems to be right before her. She complains about everything I do. And I don't know why.
See, Edna, I want to get something straight here. Give me details. What happened? As in, what did she do to you, or what did you do to her?
Nothing. She seems to be dissatisfied with everything I do. Nothing I do satisfies her. I don't understand.
Well, it's okay. I'm here, okay? I'll talk to her when she comes back, alright?
Let me take your bag aside.
Alright. Very good. Thank you very much.
So, you believed all that she told you?
No, sister, I saw sincerity in that girl. She is our cousin.
Charles, Edna is a very stubborn girl. And she needs an iron hand to bend her.
Don't forget, she's a big girl. And she needs to be treated as such.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's forget Edna and her problems for now. How long are you going to stay with us?
Well, for now I don't know, because I need to submit my CV at some companies and I'll stay and wait for their feedback.
That's okay. Edna!
Auntie?
Come and buy a drink for my brother.
You know my brand now?
What?
Yeah, I don't take salt anymore.
Where? In this house?
I'm a big boy.
Not for your life, you know that. You'll be your big boy when you go out, not here.
Okay.
Be fast and down. So...
I told you, this girl is such a nice girl.
How is the village? How is auntie, mother and everybody? Let's go.
Oh, fine. Okay. Oh, you're back.
and cause you.
It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
You don't know how to make money, let alone know how to buy things. Get out of my sight!
See, what you just did now is uncalled for. It's a simple mistake, and you can see it was intentional.
As you can see, I don't have your time now, neither do I have hers. If you want, take your drink. If you don't want, don't. Mr. Intentional. If you want, excuse me.
Why are you crying? What's the problem?
I don't know what I did to Auntie Nkechi. She hates me so much.
Oh, come on, don't talk like that. Nobody hates you. Huh? In fact, even if the whole world hates you, I don't hate you. And that is why I'm here to protect you. Okay? I'll be there for you, alright? Stop crying. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright, okay? It's alright. Stop crying. Sorry. Stop. Oh, Eddie. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're washing?
Yes.
You're washing all these clothes alone?
Yes.
So when do you have time to do your studies?
When I finish, I'll reach for my job.
I'll help you with your studies, okay?
Thank you.
Well, Eddie, on my way back, I bought you some things. I bought you plantain chips and fine orange.
Because I cannot accept it. Auntie says if I begin to eat things like this, I'll begin to steal and I might grow wings.
What's that supposed to mean? Every other person take it, every other kid take it. What's that supposed to mean?
It started with Uncle Mike. Come in. Auntie. Welcome, Daddy. Thank you. Oh, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Oh. Oh, Edna, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Michael, meet my cousin, Edna.
What do you mean, sir?
She's waiting to write a job.
I see.
Let me go and try to clear it.
Is she not too big to be writing jam?
Don't mind her looks. Her looks is deceptive. She's only 20.
Even at that, she'll be in her third or final year.
Well, she's been staying in the village before. She just came in 2 months ago to stay here.
I see.
Well, you are here to know my house, not to talk about my sweet cousin. So what do I have for you?
I start with you.
Well, I don't have one at home, but Edna will go and buy. Edna! Edna! Go and buy a bottle of stock, I guess. Let me see.
Okay.
You now know my house.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell your cousin I'm here.
She's not around, but she said you should wait for her, that she'll soon be back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You can go up and wait. Let me go and buy bread.
Why not to come up and keep me company?
No, sir. My auntie might not like that.
She won't mind. Just come up and keep me company.
I'm supposed to buy bread first. Let me buy it and come back.
You want to go to the university?
Yes.
When you get the admission, just let me know so I'll give you some money.
No, my auntie's going to pay my school fees. She said
I
so.
know. Are you going to see your auntie's friend? Can she take care of you? Besides, you look big, but you're a small girl.
I'm not a small girl. I'm a big girl. I'm going to be 21 this year.
Come, let me see how tall you are.
Okay. Wait, no, stop. No, wait. No. Wait. No, I'm not small. No.
Edna! Hey. What the hell is going on?
I was going to buy bread before
before he came. Hey, Michael, what is going on here?
I just asked her if you...
What I saw now, is it an imaginary thing or what I am feeling? You were asking her if I was around. So this is how you came to marry me, the so-called marriage thing that you're talking about. Oh, but thank God, I saw it coming. Now, get out of this compound. Are you still standing there? Leave! I said out. Auntie, I was... Out! Shh! I saw you. Wait. Now, out of this compound.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Out! I said leave.
That's nonsense. It wasn't your fault. How could she possibly blame me for something that wasn't your fault? Oh, come on, baby. I bought this for you, okay? You take it. Have it now. Have it. Take it. It's good for your health. Alright. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Good morning,
Yeah, good morning. How are you doing?
Fine. Your food is on the table.
Yeah, I saw it. But I didn't see your own there.
Mine is in the kitchen. I'll eat there.
Why?
I think you said I must never eat on the dining table.
Oh, come on. Oh, forget about my sister. You see, these few days that she won't be around, you've got to exercise your freedom in this house, okay? Huh. So it's your freedom.
Why are you looking at me like that?
What was I? I'm just trying to admire a wonderful creature of God, which you are,
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Come on, you don't need to. In fact, wait until you enter university. You start fixing uniforms, wearing all those skimpy, clothes and skirts and all that. That's when you begin to understand and appreciate how beautiful you are, because then will be like, they will fall in line. Hello girl, hello.
But I won't have money to do all that.
Why am I striving to get a job? Because if I get a job, I'll be paid well. And when I'm paid well, trust me, I'll provide you with all those things. I'll pay them for you.
That means I'll start praying for you.
You need that prayers, honestly. And you need to study hard so you can pass your job and get admission.
Thank you. I'm happy you're living with us. You're nice.
Because you're a nice person too. You're a good girl and you're a wonderful person. I mean, you're a special person, Come over to dining now, we're going to eat together. See, I'm going to teach you some table manners, some etiquette, like a fucking knife, how to handle. I know you're not used to cutleries. Just come over there, okay? I'm waiting there. Okay. Get the questions I'm going to ask you now correctly. You see this biscuit, do you like it? Okay, I'm not going to give you unless you get the answer correctly.
Okay.
You earn yourself 1 biscuit.
Okay. 2.
1. Okay, I'll give you 2. Don't worry, I'll give you 2. I'll give you 2. It's okay. Who was the first president of Nigeria? You are correct, baby. You're correct. Take. Okay. The second question. Name 4 major cities in Nigeria.
Lagos. Kano. Ibadan. Lagos, Kano, Ibadan, Onitsha.
You are very, very intelligent girl. Very intelligent. The biscuit. Okay, that's true. Name the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria.
That's the easiest.
Excuse me?
Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba.
Oh Jesus, I wouldn't have. See, you are very, very intelligent. That's bravo. That's good. Okay? Which one do you want, biscuit or juice?
Me too.
See your mouth. I think. And the juice. I said a sim.
Aye.
What is it?
There's something in my back when you touch me.
How do you mean?
I don't know.
Like this?
Aye.
You're feeling something, right? Like chemistry or something. No, you don't understand. With time, you'll get to understand. So, yeah, the next question is, don't be scared of me. I'm your uncle. Come on, relax. Hey. Next question.
Let me please.
Huh? You want to?
Please.
Sleeping. So quick. No, don't worry. I have come to make you happy. See, Uncle Charles. Uncle Charles will make you happy. Yeah? Baby. Let me teach you. Open it this thing now. Let me see. We'll start by opening. Jesus. Hi!
My one and only beloved son, heir to my throne.
Ikoku, father, my favorite cousin. How are you?
Very well, Your Highness.
Sit down.
The most gracious, Your Highness. So, with Your Highness' permission, the expeditiousness of this situation cannot be overemphasized, Your Highness. As they say, we must call a meeting of all the elders. We sit with them on a round table.
You cursed thing!
If I may, Your Highness, that appears to be the mark of the god of anger.
Curse to the god of anger, and you for giving me water with insect to drink. Your head will be chopped off. God!
Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Take it away.
Your Highness, sorry. Your Highness, please, Your Highness. People, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take it away.
I'm sorry.
that was a harsh decision you took on that maid.
My beloved son, one day you will be made king. And if you're not firm over small matters, then great matters will swallow you.
But Father, to behead because of a fly?
Hi, Coco.
My king.
Yes.
My prince.
How is the community water project going?
It's going quite well, Your Majesty.
I hope you know we are commissioned next week.
You have no cause to fear. We'll be there long before scaling.
Your Highness, you have a visitor.
From where?
He wouldn't say, Your Highness. He said it concerns the future of the throne.
I will advise you see him, Your Majesty.
Ikoko, go ask him to visit us. Who are you?
A messenger from the God of Anger.
What brings you here?
Your sin. Because the God of Anger thereby brought me here to curse you.
What rubbish are you talking about? Huh? I am king! And I can curse whoever I want to curse. And my beloved son here, when he becomes king, he also can curse anybody.
Pride. 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 As from this moment, your son will be struck with madness. He must leave this kingdom to another kingdom. And only affection and love from a stranger will set him free.
And you think I will sit down here and listen to you talk this nonsense in my palace? God!
Yes, Your Highness.
Behead him!
Only affection and love from a stranger will set him free. He must leave this kingdom immediately, or else he dies.
Oh no! 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 No!
Edna. What are you eating this morning?
I don't know.
Eh?
I said I don't know.
See, the fact that we relate well in the night is not a guarantee for you to insult me. I'm your elder. What are we eating this morning?
I don't know. There's no food.
Okay, if you don't know, that means there's no food in the house. I will start by eating you.
No! No! Oh, no! 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 No!
Open this.
No!
Let's get
Let it go!
You're back? Yeah, I'm fine. How are the people in the village?
Everybody's fine. Yeah. So how is Edna?
She's upstairs. She's upstairs.
Okay. Edna!
I don't know what's wrong with that girl. I mean, for some time she has been acting funny.
Did you do anything to her?
Why would I do? No, nothing. Why would I do anything to her? Nothing.
Okay, let's go find out. Edna! 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 Come, did you hear my voice? And what the hell are you doing?
I'm packing my things.
For what?
I'm going back to the village.
Oh my God. Are you out of your senses or something? You want to go back to the village to trouble your poor mother?
It's better than staying here.
But you know me too well. You are not going anywhere. Now, go to the parlor and unpack the things I came back with. And I mean now! Rubbish. I want to go. Let me wait for you. You know me. Edna! Edna!
Auntie?
Take this money. Somebody is coming to fill the water tank later in the day. Pay him and keep my balance for me. The soup in the pot is for you and Charles. We should manage it. Okay? I'm off to the shop. Get her in the house.
Edna. Edna. Baby. I'm home.
I just hope this stupid girl did not live with my boy. I don't care whether she went back to the village or not. That is all my business. Hello? Yes. Speaking. He's my brother. Where? How? Jesus. What? Hey.
God, this is the madman I've been seeing in my dreams.
Edna, is that you? Good evening. She just left yesterday. What is the problem? I can't stay with them anymore. Them? Please come and talk to your mother. Come and tell me what the problem is. That's how it happened. Oh, I'm finished. I am finished. What did you say Charles did to you? Your own cousin. Who else have you told? No one else. Please, we'll keep it this way. Nobody should hear this. This is an abomination. Let me see Charles. I'll kill him personally. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will take you to the village clinic for a medical checkup. And as long as I live, you will not leave my side again to go and stay with anybody. Never. Your own cousin. By the way, have you taken the jam? I'll write it next month. Don't worry, you will write the jam from here. You go from here to write it. What sort of abomination is this? Your own cousin. Is it because of our poverty? Because of money. Just your own cousin. How big a warrow? It's an abomination. Oh, it's okay. Your own brother, your own relation. Welcome, Mama. Edna. Thank you, Mama. You are not busy. The doctor says you are okay. Hey, thank God. I thank God. Hey, Mama, thank God. Edna. So you're here. Where do you want her to be? Where do you want her to be? So you took my daughter to the city to useless her life, Ewa? What did she tell you? Edna, nothing good about you or her stay with you. By the way, where is Charles, your brother? Charles had an accident. Huh?
Charles is dead. Hell. Charles dead? Is dead. Hey. His sins found him out. His sins found him out. Nkechi, do you know that right under your roof, Charles was sleeping with my daughter? It's a lie. And that it's not true. How would you know, Nkechi? Did you make this up, Edna? Oh my God. How would you know? When you were busy maltreating her. Treating her like a slave, my own daughter. But it's over. It's over. As of Charles, my Bible says that the wages of sin is death. Serves him right.
Mama.
Yes, my dear.
I've been meaning to ask. The madman that's along the road, who is he?
Edna, I don't know. He appeared there one morning. Rumors have it that a certain man always comes there to feed him.
Mama.
Yes, my dear.
While I was living at Nkechi's house, I always see that madman in my dream.
Hey.
Yes.
The madman in your dream?
Yes, Mama. He always appeared in my dream, crying and asking me to save him, to help him. So on my way home, when I saw him there, I was shocked. I was shocked because that is the exact position I always see him in my dream.
Hey, sounds strange.
Very strange, Mama.
A madman in your dream?
But I'm certain he is the madman I saw in my dream all the time.
This is strange. Very strange.
I see you in my dreams. I think you're trying to tell me something. What could it be? How could I possibly help you? I'm just a poor girl living with my mother. I know somebody gave birth to you. I know this madness is not your fault. I guess. Maybe that's why I see you in my dreams.
Edna, oh, you have started?
Yes, sir. But there is no oil to cook the yam with.
What do we do? Eh? I don't have any money on me. The only money we had, I spent it on your medical test.
We're going to have to eat only white yam.
Eat only white yam?
We won't steal, Mama. Would we?
Okay, just boil the yam. Let me get oil from our days. Oh.
Mama, what happened to our palm trees?
The palm trees are there. They are not yet ripe. Just cook the yam. Let me go and borrow oil. Huh? Oh no. Oh, come here. I know you used to eat better meals at the city.
Mama, I think the Bible says it is better for one to go to where you're loved and eat vegetable than to eat abundant meat where you're not loved. This is my home and I'm proud of it.
But Edna, how are you going to go to the university? You need money to pay for the school fees.
The God that has been taking care of us ever since Papa and Kelechi died will certainly come to our aid. I trust that. If only Kelechi and your father is alive, you won't be going through this house. Mama, please. Don't be sad. Look at me. I promise. I promise you, Mama, I'm going to make you really proud. I'll wipe poverty away from this family. I promise. Please eat. Eat, Mama. I brought you food. You food because I saw you in my dream again. You said you were hungry. That's why I brought you food. You want to eat, right? Right? Is filled with so much sadness. I wish you could talk to me. I wish you could tell me how to help you. I'm a sad girl too, you know. I have no one. No one to stand for me. No one to pay my school fees. None that I know of. Except my mother. Except my mother. Except my mother.
look at weeds everywhere. Eh? How do I start weeding the whole place? Hey.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How's your mother?
She's very fine. You were saying something about the weeds.
Yes, my daughter. The weeds are quite much. Eh? And I don't have an atom of strength to weed them.
Not to worry, ma. I can help you with them.
Can you?
Yes, ma.
Hey, I was even thinking to employ somebody to do the weeding.
Oh no.
Where can you start?
Tomorrow. I'll start cooking.
Okay. You come over to my house and collect two.
Don't worry, ma. We have 2 holes in my house. I'll use one.
That's kind of you.
Thank you, ma.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm waiting for you tomorrow, huh? Hey! God always remember his people. Eh? Look at the humble girl rescuing me. Okay.
Anybody home? Oh, good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Come. You did a very wonderful job on my farm. Hmm?
Thank you, ma.
That's good of you.
Thank you, ma.
Have this.
No, ma.
I still have it from the bottom of my heart. Take it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
Adako, I heard your voice.
Yes, Cecilia. Your daughter weeded my farm, and I came to show appreciation.
How are you?
I'm fine. Only that I need a house help. The one I had ran away last month.
And you haven't found another person?
No, I haven't. Nobody wants to do that type of work again.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am.
I beg to take my leave, huh? So have a nice day.
My regards to your husband.
Bye-bye.
2,000 naira.
Why did you do it?
We need to survive. That's why I did it.
It shall be well with you, man.
Amen.
Whatever you do in life, my blessing will follow you.
Amen.
Let me go to the market with this money to buy some foodstuffs.
Thank you, Mama. Mama.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
You're welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Whose voice am I hearing?
The daughter of late Manzobika.
Oh, my daughter. You are welcome.
Good morning, sir.
My daughter, how may I help you?
Oh, there's no problem, ma. Yesterday you said you didn't have a house help and you needed a hand. So I came to see if there's anything I can do for you.
That's thoughtful of you. We need water. At the same time, clothes to be washed.
No problem, ma. Let me start with the water first. Where's the bucket?
You go inside. Take your left. Huh? You'll see bucket there.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Good. Hey, well, she's cleaning.
God bless you, my daughter.
You're going.
Yes, ma. The clothes.
The clothes.
Yes, ma.
Come and rest. Oh, rest a while before washing.
No, ma. I'm okay. I'm young and strong. I can wash the clothes before I go home.
Okay. If you insist, let me get it for you.
Okay. Is this all?
That's it. Just wash out.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Let me bring the other one. Okay. Thank you, ma. I'm true, ma.
You are true.
Yes, ma.
Sophie.
Yes, ma. I want to go and prepare lunch. Thank you, ma.
My regards to your mom.
Yes,
Huh?
God
bye-bye,
bless
sir.
you.
Bye-bye.
That's the voice of the daughter of the late Maze Obika.
Yes, sir.
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, sir.
How is your mother?
She went to the market.
Does she still sell vegetables at the market?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I remember those days when we were young. I used to hunt lizards with your late father. Miss Obika.
My husband. She says she wants to clean all the dirty utensils in the kitchen.
That's okay. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Thank you.
Yes. Give it to her. She's been good.
I'm true, ma.
You are true?
Yes, ma.
So quick.
Yes, ma.
Thanks a lot, my daughter.
No problem, sir. I should take my leave now. Okay, sir.
My daughter, take this. It's just a token. Have it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Edna.
Sir.
Continue to be a good girl.
I promise, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Greet your mother for me.
Sir, yeah, and you. Thank you, ma'am.
I've never seen such a humble and hard-working girl.
The girl is too good. I wish I can see her with my eyes.
Nah, don't worry. It will be alright.
Edna! Mama, what's the problem? Why are you looking so sad? Edna, do you know that I was unable to sell anything today? Why? Look at the vegetables, they are decaying. I wonder where I'm going to get the money to pay my supplier. You know that I buy on credit and pay after sales. Where am I going to get the money now? How much are you owing them? 750. What is it? Where did you get this kind of money? Auntie Adanko gave it to me for cleaning her house, washing clothes, and washing all the plates in the house. Edna, may I live to see your children? God bless you. I'm working. I'm working here. God bless you. What could I have done without you? Stop crying. Now you have money. Thank you. Thank you, my little. So what are we going to do with all this? You can throw it away. God bless you. Amen. What could I have done without my daughter? This is more. God bless you. Yeah? Hey. Snakey. I'm so happy today. My daughter, business was very good today. Thank God. That money you brought helped me to buy fresh vegetables. So I have profit. Too much money. Something is too much for you. You like this one? Nothing. I bought clothes for you. You bought me clothes. You like it? I like it very much. I sold everything. Can't you see the tray is empty? It's for you. You're the best mother in the world. You're a good girl. So that's why I have to buy it. I can't go today. I sold everything. So I have to buy something because hey. Mama, thank you. It's okay. Let me get these things inside and try them. It's okay. Hey. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. You want water to drink? Yes. Good. Thank you, Lord. I want my daughter to be happy like this always. And I want to be happy too. Good business. Thank you, Lord.
Please, excuse me, young lady. Good morning. My name is Ikoku. I am the chief advisor to the king.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh,
sorry.
Of course you didn't. It's not written on our foreheads. What is your name?
My name is Amma.
Amma. Beautiful name. And who is your father?
Arika, the farmer.
Where is your father at this moment?
He's gone to the farm.
Where's your farm?
If you go this way, go down there.
Oh, wonderful. To the left, huh?
Yes.
Good. I shall go and find your father.
Okay. May I go now?
Oh, of course, my lady. Have a most pleasant day.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Of course. I want to train her to be the next queen of this land.
But why us? Why the poor family of Arika, the farmer?
Even cats may look at the king. How much more humans? What can I say? The gods choose whom to lift. It is not my choice.
In that case, I will discuss it with my family. Makanande ba I say na go to onye hu. Na go ike.
Of course. Let me let you enjoy your manual labor.
Bye bye yo.
Madman. Madman. Madman.
Boy, what do you think you are doing here? Huh? Get out from here! Get out! Come on. Get out! Come.
Oria.
I am so confused. I mean, should we rejoice or should we cry at what you just told us?
I don't know. But maybe that is how the gods want to lift us up.
Papa, you saw me when I was going on an errand for mother this morning.
Ada, I think he liked what he saw. As a king's advisor and from what he said, you look perfect from what they want in a wife for the prince.
But they hardly know me. They don't even know my character.
Don't mind my daughter. They will train you in the ways of the king. They will train you.
I have mixed feelings about this whole thing, my daughter. Who knows? Maybe that's the way the gods have chosen to wipe out our poverty.
So, you advise I should go?
I have no option, my daughter. The king wants you for the son. Though, my only reason for agreeing is that they want to train you. That's all. You can always come back to us if you're not comfortable with the whole arrangements.
Who won't be comfortable in the king's palace? Everybody will.
Amarachi. Hey!
Your Majesty.
Your Highness.
May I present King Mazuzu I of Mazuzu Kingdom. Behold, chosen one for the prince.
But how come she's appearing so plain?
That can be explained, Your Majesty. She came straight from her father's home to the palace.
And who is her father?
Harika, the father.
Oh, the cat may look at the king. Young lady, you're welcome.
Thank you.
But make sure that the next time she's appearing before me, she looks more royal.
Very well, Your Majesty. Young lady, apparently you have found favor before my king.
Thank you, Your Highness.
This is a good thing. This way, please. I'd like to introduce you to Amma. She is the future queen of our land, the new bride for the prince. This is the chief lady. Her name is Suloma. She's explicitly groomed and trained in the art of cooking, of grooming, and taking care of the palace. You will be her new charge. She will teach you how to walk, speak, and look like a princess. Let me have a word with you. Excuse me, my dear. My dear, I cannot overemphasize the importance of the situation. The king stated that there should be utmost secrecy. If anybody wants to know about the whereabouts of the prince, simply tell them that he's been taken to a distant land for grooming to be king. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the event this pact is violated or jeopardized in any form, I'm sure you understand the repercussions.
Yes, sir. The person's head will be chopped off.
I'm glad you know that. Now, we don't want to lose your pretty head very soon, do we?
No, sir.
Then we understand each other.
Yes.
Come. My dear, you will go with her. Turn her into a princess of the land.
Evil. Evil. Have you finished polishing the beads I gave you?
No. I wanted to take a little nap.
Will you get up and go and do the work I assigned to you?
Who's this?
The prince's bride-to-be.
Can't be serious.
It's the king's choice. And we have work to do.
You're welcome. I'm Evil.
My name is Amma. Did you hear what I said? She will be the next queen.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
This is the maid's quarters. For now, only Evil and I are here.
Where are the rest?
Beheaded by the king's orders.
I thought it were all rumors.
No, they're not. Ever since the queen died, the king has been a bit temperamental. Your regalia will be here in a few days. And we need to fix your hair very fast. Come, let me take you to your room. This will be your room.
I can't believe my good fortune.
Your position is every girl's dream.
Tell me, what do you think I need to deserve all this?
Destiny. Wishes of the gods. Let me get you some clean clothes while you fix your regalia. You'll be taught how to carry yourself in the presence of the king and the prince.
When I get to meet the prince?
Not now. Besides, he's not in the palace for now.
So where is he?
Somewhere secret, where he's being taught to be a king.
That sounds strange.
I'm teaching you how to be a princess.
Okay, because I was not born into royalhood and the prince...
Do not ask too many questions. Okay. Let me get you some clean clothes. Rest your bones.
Okay.
I must tell you, some of these areas are out of bounds to some of us. But as a princess to the Prince of Beauty, I will verify if you're allowed to visit some of these areas. Okay. Let me take you to Wazico.
How's Amma coping?
She's doing great, sir.
I'm sure you still recall the whole essence of this exercise, huh?
Yes, sir. The prince becomes well if she loves and appreciates him.
I'll see to it that you are adequately rewarded from the king himself.
How far have you gone with your arrangement?
We're in advanced stages now, Your Majesty. We're preparing her mentally as well as physically.
Any news yet about my son?
I'm afraid the prince is still mad.
Honestly, whatever can be done to restore his sanity, please do it fast.
Everything that's supposed to be done, it's been done. She'll be ready soon, and we'll take her to meet him. She'll give him all the love and affection he requires, and the spell will be broken. I give you my word, the prince will be whole again.
Is there no picture of the prince in this palace? Because I've not seen one anywhere.
Why do you want to see a picture of the prince?
To know whom I'm be prepared for. I mean, is it tall, short, or crippled?
What will that change?
A lot. It will change a lot. I would have a picture of him in my mind while I wait to meet him.
You don't need it for now.
I insist, as the prince's wife-to-be, I want a picture of him. Is that right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good.
My prince, I brought something for you.
You requested for something, Amma.
What?
The prince's picture. Here it is.
Thank you so much. See you later.
What was that for? Did you have to bring the pictures to her now?
She requested for it and she needs to know what the prince looks like.
Oh, what the prince looks like!
Caution, evil, or you will have your head chopped off by the king's order.
Come here, my love. Do you love me? Then look into my eyes and tell me that you love me. You are my world. My love, I have been waiting for you.
What are you dreaming about?
The prince, of course. He's so handsome.
So, do you think you can fall in love with him?
I've already fallen for him.
With his picture? Come
My
on.
spirit welcomed him.
Come on, don't be so sure.
I know what I feel right now. I do. Come on.
Amma, there are also people in this palace to admire you.
Like who?
I, for one.
You're fast becoming my good friend.
Thank you. So, do you like me?
Of course. You're so tender and caring.
Thank you. Thanks for saying that.
The prince is so handsome. Tell me, is he more caring and romantic like he looks?
He chops off heads like the king.
Can you say that?
Oh, well.
Oh.
He's more understanding than the king.
Yeah. He looks so loving, caring, so romantic. He looks almost perfect without blemish. You know, what I've been dreaming about my dream man. Yeah.
Ikoko, any news of the prince so far?
The prince is still mad.
So don't you think it's time to move in for the kill?
I do not think so. I think we should treat with a great deal of caution. For I know, as long as I am Ikoko, the advisor to the king, will sit on that throne.
The Prince Madness is a very golden opportunity we shouldn't miss.
I agree. But I still insist that we tread carefully, with caution. The king is no fool, you know. And I don't have to overemphasize the consequences of what will happen if the king discovers what we're plotting.
If you get to know that, our head will be chopped off.
I'm glad you understand the consequences, gentlemen.
So, what about the girl? The beautiful damsel. Yes. What about her? I might at the end, my friend, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. She is going to get a shock of her life.
Ikuku, what's the plot like?
The plot is simple, really. She has all the mannerisms, all the looks of a princess, of a queen to be. I will shock her, for she will get used to royalty, embrace it. And then when pride sets in, she will find it very difficult to go back to her old background of poverty.
Exactly. Ikuku. She's for the prince.
She will get the shock of her life when she discovers the truth.
Look, don't underestimate women. She might still love you.
Patience. For it is not over yet.
It's okay.
Let us drink. Ikuku. The king to be. By Allah, you must be on that throne.
Why is it that we're in the same palace? And yet, I've only set my eyes on the king once.
Because he's king. Secondly, he'll call you when the time is right.
Send me my room.
She's becoming very confident.
Yeah, it's where you want to be. She's the queen to be.
That's if the prince gets back his senses.
If he doesn't, he'll become his royal madness. Let me see the queen to be.
Wind of change, blowing across the land. There's a wind of change, sweeping across the land.
Come. Sit beside me. You like me, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And you know, with all things being equal, I might be the next queen.
Yes, I know.
How long have you been into it?
Into what?
Lesbianism. Please answer me. You kissed me the other day.
Yes. I've wanted you ever since I set my eyes on you.
So, how long have you been into it?
Since I was 14. My neighbor influenced me into it.
I might have your head chopped off.
Why?
I want you around me ever. But if you dream of touching me ever again, I might have you executed. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Good. Nobody will hear about what transpired between us. Belong to the prince, and I can't wait to be with him. You can go.
There's a wind of change, blowing across the land. There's a wind of change, sweeping across the land. There's a wind of change, blowing across the land,
Ikoku, is the girl ready?
I'll go and check.
Ikoku, please. Do your best. I miss my son. Please.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ikoku.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have been very loyal to me. I appreciate that.
You're my uncle, Your Majesty. Your family, I have no choice.
I must reward you very handsomely before I join my ancestors.
It's not reward I seek, Your Majesty, but to merely find favor in your eyes. You're like a father to me. You took me in when nobody would. I must go now. The prince will hold of you. Your Majesty, King Mazuzu, may I present the bride-to-be for the prince?
You need transformed into a beautiful and sophisticated girl.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I hope you understand what awaits you.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikoku, you've done a great job. Your reward, 100 plots of land near my choicest estate, is now yours.
You're most generous, Your Majesty.
Now prepare the damsel to meet the prince.
It is time, Your Highness.
Come, we'll have it done.
Your Highness.
My prince, soon your troubles will be over. The prophecy of the god of anger would soon come true.
Thank the both of you for all you've done for me. You've transformed a village girl into a royal princess. My promise to the both of you is, when I become the prince's wife, I will never forget you. And I'll make sure 2 roommates join you to ease the work stress. And I'm going to meet the prince tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
What time?
Ikoku's keeping it secret. Anyway, I'm so happy that at last I'm going to meet my handsome prince. Come on, be happy for me.
This is where the king advisor lives.
Well, it looks okay.
I know it looks okay. And that is why I think I need a bigger place. We leave tonight to see the prince.
Today?
Yes.
Where?
Distant land. I want you to come with us.
Will the king approve? Can't we leave now? I can't wait to see my Prince Charming.
That is the whole essence of the exercise. So you can see your Prince Charming. Make preparation. We leave tonight.
Here.
How? Is this a joke?
All the prince needs is your love and affection.
Why is the prince living here?
Well, this is the only place we could find that's safe for you.
Be careful.
Ikoku, who is this?
Well, allow me make the introduction, my lady. This is the Prince of Mazuzu Kingdom. Prince, you're bright to be. Please come, let me do this.
No!
Come back here! I said come back here! Don't you want love? I thought love is blind. Eh? What happened to your love?
Oh, now you want to achieve me. He's looking better every day, doesn't he? Take this loser back. Oh, the gods are good.
Come. She left her slippers in the wake of her distress. I didn't know you were such a fast runner, my queen. Such ego.
She cannot love him. I took her to meet him and she ran away.
It has to work. You promised the project was going to work. Make her love him.
I did everything conceivable. Everything humanly possible. She says she cannot love a madman. Prince or no prince.
That can't be true. No, it can't be true. It can't be true. Who will ascend the throne when I'm gone?
I have no answers to that question, my king.
So, my daughter, they wanted you to marry a mad prince.
Like I told you, mother, nobody should hear about this. If the king finds out, our head will be chopped off.
She's right. We must keep our lips sealed over this issue.
I'm alright to my daughter. Life in the palace has been good to you. Look at how you just added weight.
It's heaven there. But you can't afford to marry a madman.
My daughter will not marry a madman. Oh.
Yes, my daughter. Once again, you are welcome.
Welcome, my daughter.
You can go and have your sleep.
Good night.
Oh my God.
I don't want.
Do surfing again. Oh! This old house.
Amarachi, have your brief stay in the palace made this out? Look at the way you're handling that food. Listen.
Mama, I may not be able to cope with this suffering.
Huh? You've tasted food like this.
Of course, Mama. There is difference between wealth and poverty.
Then go back and marry the marketers. Go back and marry the marketers. Where is she going to? Come back and pound. What's wrong with you?
I'm tired.
Pound this if I'm pounding very well.
The king and take over the throne.
It is clear to everyone that the king has no successor.
Exactly.
I think we should wait, gentlemen. If the king dies, I'm the next in line to sit on the throne.
Of course you are correct. But when will that be? That old fool has cheated there so many times. Exactly. I want to taste power now that I'm still young.
Is asleep. Go to my car. I left a file on the back seat. Bring it to me.
File?
That's what I said, dummy. I just gave it to my daughter.
Welcome, my daughter. Please go to the farm and bring the basket of yam I left under the banana tree.
Come and go to where I sent you. Move! Let me
don't even know the reason why she's wearing this royal dress again.
Amarachi, you're not eating. Are you okay, my daughter?
I'm not.
What is your problem?
Father, I can't continue to live like this after I've tasted good life.
What do you want us to do?
Father, I don't know. I don't know, but I've tasted well. I'm coming back to this again.
Amarachi, where are you?
Eat your food.
How are you? How you not the non-corner turn out? What has come over you?
Amarachi, what is wrong with you?
Papa, this is one tree. It's one tree. You can afford 2 or 3 soup.
Papa Amarachi, Papa.
This throne of a thing is what giving you madness. Oh, careful!
I want to go. You can go and marry the mad prince. You are free.
I will.
Take time.
Enough is enough.
Let me drink water and drop cough for you, this girl.
I'm going inside.
Yes, go inside. Go inside.
Amarachi!
Leave her. Leave her.
What is wrong with this?
They want to inherit the king's palace, and that is why she will marry a madman. Eh? So you people are leaving the food for me now.
This is too much.
I have to upload this food.
There's a wind of change blowing across the land.
Kill the king and take over the throne. It is clear to everyone that the king has no successor. Exactly. That old fool has cheated them so many times. I want to take power now that I'm still young.
My name is Ikoku. I'm the chief advisor to the king.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh,
Sorry.
of course you didn't. It's not written on our foreheads. What is your name?
My name is Ama.
There is no secrets under the sun. For whatever remembers, we must surely pay for. It may take some time, but a day will surely come. No matter who you are, this is the truth. Cause the sins will find you. No matter the distance, no matter the time. So your sins will reach you. No matter the distance, no matter the time. There's a wind of change blowing across the land. There's a wind of change sweeping across the land. There's a wind of change blowing across the land.
Nice to see you.
Mama.
How is the king?
The king is very good.
I'm get a seat.
Don't worry about the seats. What I have to say is very brief. Huh? My dear, let me see. I suppose you're not happy here, huh?
To tell you the truth, I am not. I can't stand this poverty anymore.
Thought as much. I think I have a solution for that. Meet me in my house tomorrow.
Mama, I'm afraid I must run along now.
I hope all is well.
No, all is well. It's just that the king wants to converse with his future daughter-in-law.
You marry Gas?
Absolutely, absolutely. My dear, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Tomorrow, eh?
Anna, why did the king want to see me?
Don't know. Tomorrow. Go and find out.
Let's hope all is well.
So, is this the life you want?
Yes. But I can't bring myself to marry a mad prince. Oh, gee.
No one expects you to. But someone else is interested in you.
Who?
I am.
You? Why?
Because I think you'll make a great queen.
But I told you I won't marry a madman. Prince or no prince. I won't.
But you want to live in comfort.
Of course I do.
The king will die soon. And the throne will be vacant. No one expects a mad king to ascend the throne. So naturally, I'll be the next. I'll make you my wife, my queen.
Me? What about my parents?
We'll leave them out of the picture for now. You can come and live with me. We'll tell them it's the king's wish. Or better yet, we could tell them that you're still in the palace.
Yeah, that's a good idea, you know. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. Marry that prince.
There's a wind of change. There's a wind of change. Something weird.
Good day, Papa. It's me, Mike, sir.
Mike?
Okay.
Which Mike?
The son of late Justice Okoye, sir.
Justice Okoye. Oh! My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. How's your wife and children? No, they're all fine. They're all fine. Actually, I moved back from your house and there was nobody at home. So I actually brought this vehicle.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
That's a big one.
Thank you, my son. Yes, sir. Papa, I came to seek for your support and prayers concerning my political ambitions.
Are you now a politician, my son?
Yes, Papa. I'm a politician. I want to represent our people at the House of Representatives in the next political dispensation, which will be coming up 8 months from now. And as a part, our once ex-local government chairman in our local government, I'm here to pay homage and seek his prayers and support.
You've done well, my son.
Thank you, sir.
You've done well. This your voice reminds me of the good old days before I quit politics because of my bad eyesight, which resulted to blindness. What are your plans?
See, now I'm a grassroots politician, Papa. So I'm offering scholarship to 10 individuals of this community, starting from the next academic section. Papa, I came for you to give me one candidate.
That's thoughtful of you, my son.
Yes, sir.
But all my children are graduates living in abroad. I don't have candidates. Okay. She deserves it.
Who is she? A poor girl who has been of great help to our family. A brilliant girl. And she will be writing her jam next week. Next week? That means, Papa, you have a candidate then?
Yes.
Mama, please just tell her to get her credentials ready. But she must pass the jam. Papa, I should be on my way. I want to see some great men in this community. Mama, please, add this to the drink. help me to use to buy dried fish for Papa. I know he likes it a lot. I know.
Nice.
Thank God.
Watch it. He gave us a fat envelope.
Added to the one he has given me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, my son. Thank you. Be a good politician.
Definitely.
People's politician. Don't be selfish. Love your people. Thank you.
But I will certainly stick to your advice, sir. Certainly. But I will be coming to see you again for more advice and support.
That's all right.
Yes.
I will always be available. Huh?
Okay, sir. Papa, I need to see some great men of this community. Let me just go.
Okay.
I will come back again, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Johnny, merci.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll tell Edna about this. She will be very happy.
Don't let the cat out of the bag. We must know how serious she is about her studies by passing the Jumbo exam. Huh?
As you wish. But I'm suggesting when next Mike comes in, we'll ask him to help us find one of the house help. Hence the one Emeka called from Europe couldn't help us find any.
Yeah, that's okay. It's still good.
Okay.
I'm ready, Mama.
Oh, you're ready? It's okay. Please, if you can't come back today, go to Gichi's house. Go on.
No, I'll come back today. I do not wish to go to her house.
Edna, I know. To go there. I know, but in case it gets late, my daughter, I don't want anything to happen to you.
It
Just
will
go
not get
late.
too late. I'll come back.
It's okay.
Bye-bye.
Good luck, eh?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Right well, no?
I'll right well.
My fine daughter. God be with you. God, please bless my child for me and protect her. I pray she will write everything she has read and bring her safely to me. Please, God, please protect her.
It was fine. I answered all my questions in all.
I know you.
Okay, not all, almost all.
You prepared for it. Sit down, come on, well, no, yes, you prepared very well. Food is there.
Answered almost all.
I know, you prepared for it.
What is it?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to read Bible.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, my daughter. You are back?
Yes, ma'am.
How was the exam?
It was fine, ma'am.
Good. As soon as the result comes out, please bring it to us. We might have something good for you.
Thank you very much. Okay. I'll be very grateful.
Okay, my
Thank
daughter.
you. Let me have you fetch water.
Good.
There's a wind of change sweeping across the land. There's a wind of change blowing across the land. Something we can change. Only love can find a way. When the man decides to wrestle the gods, it's like pitching a tent in the eyes of the gun. There's no escape and there's no way to run.
Hello!
Ah, Nkechi.
Welcome. Hey, how did you sit you? Thank God for today. I came for a friend's traditional marriage. Auntie, guess what? I will be traveling to America next week.
Is that so?
I won their visa lottery.
That's good though.
That's good. Hey, so where is my little cousin Edna? Because I brought her a child.
Did she pass?
I don't know call her.
Edna! Edna!
The job result is out.
My job result is out.
She
don't know.
I don't know. Tell us.
Is it fast?
Thank God.
Thank you. She worked hard. You reap what you sow.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Fine, I just manage it. Everything going good. Like this. I know. Thank God. We are alive. I should be going now. I'm going back to my friend's place. Have a nice day.
Bye bye, yo.
Edna, I'm out, oh.
When you reach America, remember us, oh.
I will.
Alright, thank you.
Edna.
Mama, how do we pay the school fees?
I've been thinking about it too.
God, I've worked so hard to give up now. I've worked so hard.
You will go to school, my daughter. Whatever happens, you will go to school. I know.
But it takes money to pay school fees. How?
No. If your father were alive, we won't be going through all this. We will be going through all this. You go to school. Please, my daughter, please. I'll be alright. Oh? I'll be okay.
Well, let me go and fetch water so you can have your breakfast.
Let me rest.
In case you change your mind, you drop that.
Oh
Thank you for paying my hospital bills. God will surely reward you. Thank you.
It's okay, my dear. Just remember to take your drugs always. High blood pressure is not a sickness to be joked with. And stop thinking too much. God does not forget his own people. This I know. Oh? That's all right.
Thank you very much, Auntie. Thank you.
Okay, my dear. I should be taking my leave.
It's okay.
Edna, please take good care of her. Yeah?
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay.
Good night. I wonder what we'll have done without Auntie and her husband. Mama, please, I want you to stop thinking about me. I beg you, else you develop a heart attack. The doctor said you're close to having one already.
I'll try, Edna. I will try. I'll be okay.
Mama, please.
I'm trying. Edna. Ma. Yes, ma'am. Come sit down. What? Come and sit down. Edna, I've not heard you mention anything about your JAMB results.
Actually, Ma, I did pass. But what's the essence of a JAMB result when I don't have money to pay my school fees?
I thought I told you to let me know when the result comes out.
You did, Ma. But you and your husband have done enough for us already.
Don't be silly. Just get me your JAMB and WAEC results first thing tomorrow. Do you hear that?
I will, Ma. Thank you very much. I will.
That's my daughter.
Thank you, Ma.
Bye. I'll be waiting for the results, huh?
Oh, I finished sweeping the kitchen, Ma. And let me just quickly sweep outside before I go.
No. You don't overstress yourself, my daughter.
I'm fine, Ma.
You don't overstress yourself. It's okay. Come on. We have something for you. Just have it. Read it. Take it forth and read. Open it and read.
Michael Dozier Enterprises, as part of its corporate social responsibility, uses this letter to announce to you that you have gotten a 5-year scholarship to any university. Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Father.
Hey!
She deserves it.
She even deserves more than that. That girl. Hey!
Thank God.
I thank God for her.
Hey, Edna! Mama! Edna! Scholarship! 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 Come on, scholarship! They give me scholarship. Bible. I said, I'm going to house work with the company, and the company agreed to see me through school 5 years! Let me have the letter. 5 years, Mama, 5 years! Scholarship! Oh my God! God, they are great! They are great! Oh my God! Oh, they were on them, yeah! Oh, they were on them, yeah! Yeah, not to me. Chineke me were on them, yeah! Go to university, eh? Yes, Mama, 5 years! Oh, they were on them, yeah! Yeah, not to me. Chineke me were on them, yeah! Oh, come on, you're going to university. Oh my God. You. My dear friend, I have good news for you. I'm going to the university. Yes, I'm going to the university. I'm going to miss you so much. I will miss you, you know, so very much. smiling at me. That means you're happy with me, right? Right? I'm going to miss you so much. I promise. I'll always come and see you. Always. You might not understand this, but I feel like I'm beginning to develop very strong feelings for you. I worry for you. I think of you. I feel your pains. I interpret your sadness. You don't understand. I'll come and see you. Not to worry. No, don't cry. Don't cry. I'll certainly come and see you. I promise. Promise.
Every time I look into your eyes, I can see my world up again. Yes, true love ain't no color.
You're my friend. Yes, you are. That's why I prepared a very special meal for you. Because I don't know when I'll see you again. I should leave you now. That's what they do. I don't know what it means.
My prince.
Father. You're God number one.
Yes, my prince.
Heavens, what am I doing here? What is happening?
My prince, look.
Where's my father? Where's Ikoku?
It's a long story. I am sure the king will be glad to see you, my prince. I will take you to Mazuzu Kingdom right away.
Heavens! Take me out of here at once.
My prince, this way.
My blessing goes with you.
Amen. I'll miss you.
No. Me too. I'll miss you, but you're leaving for a brighter tomorrow. So, God be with you.
Be careful. Don't stress yourself. Don't go and fetch water too much.
Now I am here. What will my future be like?
Your Highness, King Mazuzu I of Mazuzu Kingdom.
What are you doing here? Are you not meant to keep watch over my son?
Your Highness, I have done that diligently. But what the messenger of the god of anger said has come to pass.
That means my son will remain perpetually mad simply because a girl that's supposed to love him ran away.
No, Your Highness. Your son is here.
My son is here?
Yes, Your Highness.
Go fetch him.
Yes, Your Highness.
The son is here. The prince is here. The messenger said if he remains here, he will die.
Father, I'm well. Look.
Prince, are you normal?
No, I'm well. Look at me. It's your son. Ask me any
Prince,
question.
are you okay?
I'm okay, Father.
Are you normal?
Yes, I'm normal.
My prince?
Yes.
My son?
Yes.
The heir to my throne?
Yes. Father, it's me. Yes, Father. Yes, Father, I'm back.
I should be very grateful to my ancestors. God, how did it happen? Did he find love and affection after all?
Yes, Father. He told me everything that happened. But let me freshen up and he'll tell us the story all over again.
God! You go call me Koku. Son, meanwhile you go and freshen up and have a good shower.
Yes, Father.
Oh, Oh, I feel so excited. I feel so excited. The prince is back. The heir to my throne is back. Helen Hardy. Oh, they call for jubilation and celebration.
What do you want to do today?
I should go and get my beads and earrings. Yes.
You want to start looking like a queen? As befits a true king.
Yes. And your wife to be.
The money's always been there. Spending it is a problem.
Yes.
Anybody home? Anybody home? Anybody home?
Well, there's somebody home. Why would you be making noise like that? Are you crazy?
It's urgent, sir. The king wants you in his palace right now.
What is the news?
The prince is back.
What does the madman want in the palace?
He's no longer mad.
Did I hear you right?
And that is why you've been summoned to the palace.
Wait for me.
Come, my beloved son. Come and sit at the rightful place.
Father. Loyal God, I want you to tell my father the story you told me on our way back.
Prince.
My beloved and loyal third cousin. This is Prince of Mazuzu land.
The heir to the Mazuzu throne.
I am no longer mad. Take a good look at me. I am sane now.
Prince, I am looking. I can't believe this.
This loyal God will tell us a little tale. Your Highness, my prince, you were mad for some time, and I was assigned to keep an eye on you, to make sure you don't go astray or stab, until a girl started visiting you, my prince.
I see you in my dreams. I think you're trying to tell me something. What could it be? How could I possibly help you? I'm just a poor girl living with my mother. I know somebody gave birth to you. I know this madness is not your fault. I guess. Maybe that's why I see you in my dreams. You said you were hungry. That's why I brought you food. You want to eat, right? I wish you could talk to me. I wish you could tell me how to help you. I'm a sad girl too, you know. That's what they do. I don't know what it means.
That was how it happened, my prince.
It's an outrage. A complete outrage. You think we're supposed to believe stories like that?
Iko could believe it. The spell had been broken by a girl who showed love and affection called my son. That's why I'm excited.
Of course, Your Majesty. I'm more excited to see the prince hale and hearty. That's all we follows.
Father, I must find the girl.
Yes, with every urgency I might add. We have to look for this girl. We have to search every nook and cranny of the land.
Yes.
We told you to seize the opportunity, but you didn't.
I must sit on the throne.
To sit on the throne? For now, it's too late.
Nothing is late. It can never be late. Another opportunity will present itself. I will sit on the throne. Will seize power.
Father, I need to find the girl that broke the spell. She's the reason why I'm whole again.
You're right, my son. You see, anybody who stood by you while you had a mental problem is worthy to be called your wife. Yes.
Your Highness, Princess Amma is here. Who's Princess Amma?
Oh, the girl that was trained to love you.
Oh, the one that wouldn't love a mad prince?
God, send her in.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness, my prince, Amma is here for you now. I promise to love and cherish you for the rest of my life.
Are you sure of that?
Oh yes, my prince. I know I was stupid when I ran out on you the first time, but I promise to make it up to you.
Father, what do you think?
Well, it's up to you whether I feel you can handle it.
You look pretty and dressed up like a princess. But there's only one thing. Sit down.
Okay, my prince.
If you didn't stand beside me when all hope was lost, how then are you going to be faithful to me?
Oh, my prince. I swear by the gods that I'll stand by you, even if you go mad again.
Father, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Do you know that anybody who stands beside you when the going is good and runs away when the going is rough is known as a fair weather friend and should not be trusted in any circumstance whatsoever? And are you aware that it was a girl like you who stood beside me in my entire time of madness? Where were you all the while? Gone? Lost? In the wilderness? And then you pop up from nowhere out of the blues and you want to reap where you didn't sow? How are you going to explain that? God!
I'm sorry, my prince.
Yes, Your Highness. Take her away at once. Go back to your father's house in peace. I'm not interested in you.
I'm sorry. My prince, I'm sorry. Give me a
I'm so sorry, my prince.
Well done, my son.
Father, I must find my bride.
You have my full blessing, son.
Why?
I thought he would give me a second chance.
Give you another chance. Only an insane person goes back to his vomit. To what you've rejected. Have you no pride?
A beggar has no choice.
And when the beggar has been fed dung, he has a choice.
I'm so sorry. I find it difficult going back to poverty.
You know, I find it difficult to understand women. Why do you think I keep you here? Why? Our wedding bell is ringing around the corner. And look at you.
Serious?
Of course I'm serious.
I'm so sorry, my prince.
It's okay, my queen. Everything will be fine.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Good day. Who are you people?
My name is Ikoku. I am the chief advisor to the king of Mazuzu Kingdom. This is the prince of Mazuzu Kingdom, the next in line for the throne.
Welcome.
Thank you, Ma. There is a madman who lives near the village shrine. Have you ever seen him?
Who hasn't in this village? He appeared there one morning, but we haven't seen him for some time. Only God knows what has happened to the poor soul.
Your daughter used to visit him.
Chineke, Edna, my daughter?
Yes, Ma. She loved him.
Abomination! How can my daughter love a madman? My daughter can't do that.
Oh, yes, you did, Ma. Your daughter has a heart of gold. Look at me carefully. Do you see any resemblance between the madman and I?
The madman was light complexion, yes? But my son, you're not mad.
Obviously not. Out of something bitter comes something sweet. Ma, I am the madman.
You see, the messenger of the god of anger cast this terrible spell on the prince and prophesied that he is to be taken to a distant land where only the love and affection of a complete stranger will break the spell.
And your daughter gave me the love and affection.
And the spell was broken.
I don't know what I can make out of all this.
I'm here to see her, Ma. Where is she?
She's in the university.
Which of them?
Nigerian University, of course.
Good. Ikoku.
This is a check for 2 million naira.
And it comes with love from my father, the king of Mazuzu Kingdom. Your daughter's good heart has thrown light on you. And as far as this kingdom exists, Ma, you shall never lack anything, and neither will the generation that comes after you. Ikoku.
Prince.
Thank you very much, Ma. We'll leave now.
Do you think it's a wise decision?
Of course, Father, it is. She's the one that made me well. I have to find her.
How do you trace her since you don't have her address?
Someone on campus is giving me pictures of her. And as I'm talking to you now, every detail about her has been processed. I paid him well for it.
That means you pretend to be a student.
Well, yes.
When are you going to campus?
Tomorrow.
We have to seize this opportunity now.
I agree. Now the prince is on campus, looking for love. I must strike now.
Strike?
What of the guard?
I have a plan for them. This one is for the king and each of the gods.
How can you coordinate the stabbing?
You will help me.
Help?
Each of you. You want power, don't you?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Of course, yes. Welcome to my palace. The palace of King Mazuzu of Mazuzu Kingdom. You see, every friend of Ikoku is also my friend. So Ikoku, what's the most important news?
Well, my king, my friend Abuchi here has it from good authority that there's a conspiracy to take your throne from you.
Eh? Where? Who? How?
He has names.
Give me the names. The head will chopped off.
Well, it's a little complicated, Your Majesty. You see, we have reasons to believe that even your security is compromised.
Right. Give us. What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on?
What is going on?
You can't try this, Goku. You don't dare me. Are you daring me?
Oh, you don't know the smell of death.
You don't dare me, Goku. Guards! 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 Ah! You can't do this. You don't dare me. Guards!
What guards are you calling?
Guards!
They've all been taken care of. You think I'm a fool? I learned from the best, you bastard. Prepare to join our ancestors.
Ikoku, my son will get you.
Your son is not man enough. For years I served you, took your scorn and your humiliations. Well, it's time to get my reward. The son of nobody shall be the next king of Mazuzu land. Die, you bastard. No trace at all. Clean it up from top to bottom. Get rid of this excessive baggage. I shall sit on this throne tomorrow with my queen.
Amma! Amma! Come, my lady, I have good news.
What?
You are looking at the next king of Mazuzu Kingdom.
How is it possible?
Well, let me bring you up to the course of events. The king, or the past king rather, is dead. No, I had no hands in his death whatsoever. Nature simply helped me put him along into the waiting arms of our ancestors. And the king, well, they had to be. The prince decided he wanted no part of the throne. He's running around campuses looking for love at present as we speak. And so the next person in line, naturally, is my humble self. We did it. It's wonderful. Listen, here is what we're going to do.
What?
Go into the house.
Yes.
Find the choicest one. Bring it out here.
Okay, good.
Finally, I am king.
Seems too real to be true. Never seen a love so cool. Seems too fine to be real. And I never seen a love so much. The way you came around and took my blues away. The way you came and took my blues away. You gave me a reason to smile again. Smile, baby. You brought meaning to my life, even in my darkest hour. I love you so, and I'ma tell it to the world. You're my sunshine up in the rain, and now the storms are fast away. Away, away. Now this is my world, and you can have it all. My body, my soul. 'Cause when I cry, you cry, you cry, and we cry. You cried along with me, with me. And now when I smile, you smile, you smile, and we smile. You smile along with me. It's now the storm is gone, gone away, gone away, gone away, gone away, gone. Now my tears have gone away, and I can see the blue sky, and I can see the blue, blue sky. You like the rainbow in the sky, and I can see the shining. You give me a reason to smile again, smile again, smile again. Every time I look into your eyes, I can see my world up again, up again. 'Cause true love ain't no color, true love ain't no status. Ask no questions, but speaks from the mind. 'Cause when I cry, you cry, you cry, and we cry. You cried along with me, with me. And when I smile, you smile, you smile, and you smile. You smile along with me. 'Cause now the storm is gone, gone away, storm is gone away, and the rain is gone away, I can see the blue skies again. When I cry, you cry, and we cry, we cried along.
Don't come any closer. Don't! Why are you following me?
You don't want to do that.
I am going to do it. Come any closer.
It's really not necessary. I just came to talk to you. That's
What
all.
about what? What do you want? Why are you following me?
I don't know you. Why are you following me? You follow me every day covering your face with a cap. Who are you?
I I know. I'm not armed, nothing, I'm not gonna hurt you, just put a stick down.
You don't have to be armed, you're a man!
Look, it's nothing on me, I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise. I just need to talk to you. It's a very sensitive issue, that's why I asked. So just put a stick down.
Sit from there.
There's a madman in the village, your village. I'm visiting. Give me a message to come to you.
Madman. My friend?
Yes, a mad friend. Can I come closer now? You gave me a message.
That's enough. Sit from there.
Okay. If you want me to come close, I'm not gonna come close, okay?
Take 2 steps. 2. Say it! It's you.
Come closer, I'm no longer mad.
Are you? How?
Touch me. Just gonna tell you a little story. Do you believe in the supernatural? Come on.
My books. I don't believe this. I mean, it sounds strange. It's odd. It's mysterious. It's like a fairy tale.
I know it. It's unbelievable. But you're having a madman is more fairy tale like, isn't it? You have no idea. You don't have the slightest comprehension what you've done to me. My life belongs to you now. Everything is a dream. Look, I want you to really understand what you have done. And what I have to give is beyond me now. I just want to ask you.
Hello? I hope I'm not interrupting anybody. I came by to pick some. Handsome. Well, I don't know what she is to you, but beware. She is dangerous.
Who's she?
My roommate.
Fortunately, she doesn't seem to like you.
She's a problem to me.
How?
Her boyfriend broke up with her and wanted to date me. But Maureen doesn't seem to understand. I could never do anything like that. I could never ever do anything like that.
Hey. You mean so much to me. Okay? You're my saving grace. And your enemy is my enemy. I'll make life hell for anyone you dislike. Do you understand?
Maureen. Hey, how are you?
Fine. Can I talk to you for a moment? What's the problem between you and Edna?
That girl. She's a man's snatcher. Don't mind her innocently.
That's not what she told me.
I don't know how she succeeded in charming you. But all I know is that that girl is evil.
Evil or no evil, Edna means a lot to me. Sorry. And I can lay my life down for her. And I don't want you to ever trouble her again.
Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you to tell me not to trouble her? Huh? Mr. Cool.
Wait, I'll say this just once. I can lay my life down for her. So you're warned.
Fuck you. You hear me out? Fuck you! I said, fuck you! I am talking to you and you're reading your book.
I have told you times without number. Emeka came after me. I told him I wasn't interested. If you're losing your boyfriend because of your bad attitude, then that is your hard luck. What are you
This is bad. Where is she?
I don't know.
You can't be here anymore. Why don't you move to my hotel?
I can't. I can't. This hostel was paid for me by a company for scholarship. I can't leave it for another student. I can't. I won't. I will not.
Okay, fine. I'll fix the problem. Here, take this. I don't know how much it is, but just get some clothes and whatever you want to do.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see Maureen. Your enemy is my enemy, remember?
Why don't you mind your own business?
Edna is my business and I'm minding her now. I said, what happened?
And so, you're minding her?
Maureen, I warned you earlier. I said, keep your hands off her because she means so much to me. You will not understand. See what you've caused now.
You're crazy. See, hey, don't touch me, don't touch me.
If you ever place your hands on her again, I swear I'll kill you.
Me, you're touching me. You're crazy. I said you're crazy. You're touching me. I will show you. You're touching me.
And I will show you how crazy I am if you do that again.
Don't touch me again now. You're crazy. I will show you. I will finish you up. Okay, you are going. Come back and fight me now. Don't touch me. Let me box you now. You're crazy. You're crazy, busybody. Don't touch me. Hey. I will deal with you. Don't worry. Okay, you will see. I'll deal with you. You will see. Let me just... Hey, me.
Drive! Who are you?
Move it!
What is this about?
You will get to know when you get to our destination.
You're behind this.
Shut up! Nobody speaks till I say so. Amadi, did they give you any problem?
No. When Amadi shows his face, no one blinks.
You know why you're here?
I guess so.
You just come out from nowhere to this campus, looking so fly, and you think you can run things, huh?
She was troubling a friend of mine and all I want is for her to stop.
All I want for you is to stop troubling her. She pays us good money and I don't think nobody can disturb her in this campus.
Oh. It's money you want, huh?
Everybody loves money.
Why don't you go to my car, look in the glove compartment. There's an envelope. Bring it.
Go get the money. Who are you and what is your mission in this campus?
I am the Crown Prince of Mazuzu Kingdom, and I'm here to look for my future bride.
I guess she's Edna.
Yes.
Filled with interesting tales.
This is for you. I don't want anyone to ever trouble Edna again. I'm buying her security and freedom. Throughout her stay on campus, I want you to watch her back. Until she leaves.
You know, you can't accept this from him. I think it's that 20,000 naira you gave to me.
Stop.
This is real money, my prince. You have my loyalty.
Can I go now?
Of course you can. You're the boss. A real man can run things with you.
Look at you double-crossing fool. You collected my money. Give me back my money. Give me my money. Just give me my money. My money. Give me my money back. I said give me my money. Ha! Just give me my money.
Never seen a love so good. Seems too fine to be real. And I've never seen a love so much. The way you came around and took my blues away. The way you came and took my blues away. You gave me a reason to smile again. Smile again. You brought me into my life, even in my darkest hour.
Mori, what happened to your face? Mori, please, I don't want your trouble. The room belongs to you alone. I'll come back to pick the rest of my things. Mori. Mori.
In my freedom.
You don't have to put it like that. I just did what I had to do.
Thank you.
I'm in love with you, Edna. I want to take you home and show you to my father.
My prince. A good friend. That's who you are. But the question is, do I want to marry you? Do I?
You gave life to me, Edna. Do you have any idea what that means? You're the reason I live for now. There's nothing else.
You always remain my good friend. But I don't think I want to marry you. It's hard. You're up there and I'm here. Nobody, I'm just
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Very well then, I have to return to Mazuzu Kingdom at once. You deserve to get what you want. With all respect. Thank you very much. I will leave you now, but I'll come back.
Difference does it make? Ask him to come in.
Hey.
Remember, don't alert him to the new presence of things in the palace, huh?
Remember, Your Highness.
What is going on here? Ikoku?
My beloved cousin.
Where is my father and what are you doing on the throne?
Please allow me to introduce myself.
I am His Royal Highness, King Ikoku I of Mazuzu Kingdom. Now, as to your father, the late king passed away, most unfortunately. We mourned him, and I dare say your presence was not, was felt.
My father is dead?
Yes, the throne was vacant. The land needed a leader. So naturally I stepped in.
My father was healthy when I left.
Yes, of course. But again, we must remind ourselves. Your father was not exactly a young man. And death. Death, that unfathomable phenomenon. Death does not exactly announce itself when it comes knocking on our doors, does it?
I can see you are now with her. And you have changed the security code at the entrance.
A minor precautionary motive. Nothing that cannot be changed immediately. Step into, power again. Something to sit things orderly until your return.
Okay. I need details of my father's death. And I am back, Ikoku. Thank you for keeping the throne in my father's absence and mine. But I'm back now to take what rightfully belongs to me.
But of course. See, you must be exhausted from your, how shall we say, love quest. And I'm sure you need some measure of rest. So, I will advise you go to your quarters and rest accordingly. And then when you come back, things would have been seated properly by then.
I would want to see my father's body. Send me a guard at once.
Of course. Guard. Make sure the princess taken care of.
Yes, I am.
Understand?
Yes, I am.
What?
I was merely asking them to make sure that the prince is comfortable as he is accustomed to.
What is it? Prince, you have to come with us.
To where?
On the other hour, to go before. We are taking you under detention, pending when he gives order concerning you.
You're mad.
You can't do this! Stop it! I am the leader to the floor! Your Highness,
the prince is secure.
In that case, let us pay him a brief visit and see how he is doing. Yeah?
Wait for me. Stand guard outside. Hello, cousin.
What is the meaning of this?
Exactly what it means. I've taken over the kingdom.
We trusted you.
Trust is nothing. Trust and power are worlds apart. Since we're young, I got all the royal treatment, and I got nothing. Because I was the son of a poor farmer, where things are different now.
You found favor from my father.
To hell with your favor. I wanted to be in control of things. That's where I am now.
What did you do to my father?
Must you ask the obvious? In order for there to be a change of power, there must be bloodshed. That's right. I killed him. You what?
And you're alone in this conspiracy?
Oh, no, I couldn't have done it alone. No. My friends Ephraim and Abuchi were involved too. And for their reward, I had their heads chopped off.
You bloodthirsty
demon! And you know what is weak. So pathetic and weak. It's politics, cousin. Pure nonsense. They conspired with me to end the reign of your father. And what was the guarantee that I would not meet some fate? Common sense.
You were barbarian.
And so was your father. I learned from the best.
So why don't you kill me too?
Kill me now! And give you the satisfaction of a quick death. Not on your life. You will stay here and rot for my sole pleasure. Until I decide what to do with you. What kind of death that befits you.
And who did you say you're looking for?
I'm here to see the Prince of Mazuzu Kingdom.
Who are you doing?
He said he loves me. I'm here to tell him that I love him too.
The prince is not around. And he will not be for a long time.
Your Highness, if you don't mind, let me entertain her. There are things that have been breaking my conscience that I discovered lately. I married Coco, not knowing he's such an over-ambitious, cold-blooded animal. And I was too naive by marrying him, selling my lonely misery. Ikoko murdered the king. And now the prince is in the cell. And it's only a matter of time before he murders the prince. So we have to move very fast. Call this number by 2 this afternoon. 080 33 22. What am I supposed to do? Okay. 2244. Just 2244. Yes. What am I supposed to do? Keep this to yourself. Don't tell anybody. Tomorrow evening, come to the palace. You will surely meet your prince. Don't worry about. I've already arranged with the cook. The guard will be drugged with sleeping pills, and as for Ikoku, I will handle him myself. To make up for the prince when he was mad. Edna, you've won him. Both of you deserve to be happy, okay? Just come tomorrow, everything will be fine. God, join the others. I want to stay with my husband.
Yes,
My love, you just have to read this drink. Yes.
Why don't you join?
My love, you know, I don't take this kind of drink. I don't drink beer.
Of course. But I must have you know, it is beer like this. It's what makes us men amongst men. Strong and virile. In all the right places. I shall found on the many nights with you.
Is your drink? Hello. My love, the last meeting we talked about the market project, like we discussed.
The drink. The drink.
Yes, drink. What did you drink?
What was it?
Hey, is your normal beer?
Edna asleep. I gave her sleeping pills. God, I hope my head will be chopped off for this. You're working for humanity. Let's hang him up. But that's the king. He's nuts. He's an imposter. He murdered the king. The prince is in the south. Go this way. Someone open the gate for you. You heartless fool. I am poor and needy. I don't need your heartless money. What is going on here? What is going on? You don't have time here. The princess is open up! Freeze right now. What's going on?
Greed and over-ambition has cost you your elevated status in this palace. I would have never expected it from you, Koku. You disappoint me so much. Look at you now. Look at you.
Cousin. Untie me. Untie me. I'm still king.
Indeed you are king. King of murderers! I don't know how to reward you, Amma.
Prince, you don't have to. I ran out of you when I should have set you free.
You were not destined to win my heart. Edna was. You were destined to restore glory to the throne. And you just did. We have a lot of work to do. We have to clean up the palace and give my father a proper burial. What time? You! Your head will be chopped in public, and the sight shall be beheld by the people. You've always wanted to be king. And here you are in the throne. You will die as one. Why didn't you?
I don't know. But I should have killed you like I killed your father. You both rot in hell.
whatever reminders we must surely pay for. It may take some time, but that day will surely come. No matter who you are, this is the truth, cause your sins will find you. No matter the distance, no matter the time, still your sins will reach you. No matter the distance, no matter the time, there's a wind of change blowing across the land. There's a wind